how to make images clickable in Squarespace. I've just logged into my account here and I've clicked on website, which has loaded up my Squarespace website. Now we want to select edit from the top left corner here. And first we will have to add a new block here once we hover over a section, and we will add an image. So I will just click on this plus sign and I'll use one of my images from the library. You can upload your own file here, your own image file. I'm just going to use this image that I have of myself here for another video that I did. And let's say this is our image. Now, what do we have to do? We want to click on the second option that says edit link. And here we can either use one of the links from our own website, or we can just use an external URL. Also, we can do a file, we can do email or phone. So if people click on this, they can either phone us, they can email us, they can open up a file, so on and so forth. But I'm going to leave it as a URL here, and I'll simply type out youtube.com. Now I'm going to save these changes here, and I'm just going to show you that it works. I'm going to exit the editor, and if I click on my image, as you can see, it loads up youtube.com for me. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.